Yep, I know I'm late, but I just wanted to document my thoughts on Frasers Centrepoint Trust. Earlier on, I did a video but didn't launch it where I put both FCT and CICT together, but I decided that this is just gonna be about Frasers Centrepoint Trust. It's 20th September, 10 more days, right? And the last quarter for FCT would close on 30th September. So just to do a quick recap, I always want to look for the biggest movers for a REIT to increase the revenue so that we can get more dividends. So the biggest mover is going to be the North Point South Wing, right? However, it took on 1.133 billion debt, and this was the information that I knew before, right? And when they released the results, they raised ERF of 420 million. Then the latest result, they indicated that they issued a 200 million perpetual at 3.98. And there's also going to be this 785 million loans at below 4%. So this perpetual is something new. Latest results, early on cost of debt was 3.8. Cost of debt right now is 3.7. However, if they're going to use these perpetuals to, knock off the loans, things might be a bit better. But here's the point. Should I start considering or perhaps start upgrading this concept called return on borrowings to return on financing? So that's something I will take note, because if REITs are going to use perpetuals to finance their acquisitions. Hougang Mall is undergoing its AEI, and what I also wanted to take note is the future MRT lines, because Hougang Mall is going to be one of the transport nodes in one of the future MRT lines, so there's going to be more traffic going here. But something that I took a little bit more is this trade mix. And this trade mix is something that came to my mind recently, and it became more obvious because I was thinking, in order to increase the revenue, either there are two ways. One, you increase the NLA, or the second way would be to increase the prices. But which category should a REIT bring it into its portfolio? That was where I started thinking about it, and I saw this table that FCT provided. There are these ratios, but I just want to take note of the times, right? The times here, you can see it ranges from 0.3 all the way up to 2.4. The 2.4 being the jewelry category. But I'm also thinking that, hey, you can't have a mall full of jewelry, right? So I guess the thing that I'm looking at right now is probably setting the yardstick at anything that's one time and above. F&B is one of it. So that's what I wanted to record down in this video. It's more about recapping FCT's results and introducing this new concept to myself called the trade mix. And YouTube recommended this video. You might just want to take a look.